Hello. Thank you to my channel, man. This is Real Raw Entrepreneurship, season 1, session number 4. So, yeah, man, it's been a while since I've made any videos about Real Raw Entrepreneurship. And, the reason being is that there's a lot going on with all this coronavirus going on. I drive school buses and everything, and my district is currently keeps extending and getting shut down. So I've been out from driving since the 9th of March, and it's going to go all the way until April the 19th, and so that's a whole month without pay. But luckily, again, my wife's money is coming in, so there's been a lot of ups and downs. There's been a lot of transitioning with my kids being home. You've seen some posts some videos that I put up previously on working from home, time management, stuff like that. Like, all that has to adjust. You know what I'm saying? It's been tough these past couple of weeks trying to put that in, and also build up, my internet business. And that's the thing that I'll be working on, is my internet business. You know what I'm saying? This is a perfect time because it's work from home. And then I have to schedule it to work with my wife and kids and everything. So it's been interesting. You have these days, you have these times as an entrepreneur, but you got to constantly plug in. And so I've been really encouraged by a couple of people, because my motto is that there's an old saying that he who refreshes others will himself be refreshed. I've been going in and out of depression, but with there being people that have been encouraged from my content that I've been putting out, that gives me the fuel and the fire to keep going, to keep putting out content to help others. And so my mission is to help those that are entrepreneurs, but I'm going to transition it to doing, entrepreneurship online, creating a profitable business online. And so that's the content that I want to create going forward, is content about that. Yes, I'll still have some content about, mindset, the mindset and the mechanics of it, the how-tos, but, the mindset videos haven't been getting as much views as I want to. So I'll be doing those, but just less frequently than I do, the how-tos, because people want to see. This is a great time, again, to make money online. If you're starting out in that niche and you need some assistance on that, I've been learning so much, and just have a lot to share. So I pray this message meets you where it needs to meet you, and connects with those that really need to connect with the content that I'm bringing. And so I'm going to be consistent. I'm going to be consistent in dropping content on Monday, Wednesday, and also Friday. So those are the days: Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'll be dropping content that will be beneficial on how to market and make money online. And again, this is probably going to be the last entrepreneurial, real, raw, and all that stuff. So so I'll say this: having to juggle money, having to juggle bills, applying for possibly unemployment benefits. Man, I know I'm saying a lot, but but it's just the life of an entrepreneur. You know what I'm saying? And so again, just wanted to be real, raw, honest, and even again, days that my emotions are up and down, and I'm excited one day and I'm down the next. It may not seem like it on the video, because it's like, hey, share with people, share with people in your inspired time. Share with people when you're, when you're happy and you're excited, because I've seen videos that I've done, whether it be with this or something else, to where, I wasn't really excited and it just came off wrong. Who wants to listen to somebody who's down, who's depressed? And maybe some people who are melancholy or who want to be in that space, but man, not everybody wants to hear that. Everybody wants to be inspired. Everybody wants to be, pushed forward and stuff like this. And probably this video is not going to be, everybody's not going to watch the whole video, the whole 5 or 10 minutes or however long it's going to be. You know what I'm saying? And so, man, it's also just learning in entrepreneurship, especially with the videos and stuff. Yes, I like doing videos, but that, you know, if you're going to make content, you got to make content that benefits others, you know? And I have, you know, it's just so weird because I'm a creative, and it's like, man, there's things that I feel that you need to know that I want to get out there, that I want to constantly be putting out, but that's not necessarily what you want to hear. And that's how business goes. Business is, it's not about you. It's not about, it's not about you in a sense of saying, hey, I can't pay my bills. You know, my light's about to go off. I need to make this sale. I need to do this, that, and the other. No, it's about whatever your target audience is, you know, who your target audience is. What is their problems? What is their pain point? What is their need? How can I serve them? You know, asking them that question, like, what content would you like to see? How can I help you succeed? You know, that's who we are as people. You know, what value do you bring to me? How can I do this? How can I do this? And so that's one of the transitionings that I'm having to work on myself personally. You know, I'm letting you guys on the inside, so don't tell us to everybody else. I'm gonna let you guys on the inside of what's going on with me. I'm trying to be transparent with you because, you know, everything in entrepreneurship, whatever's displayed on the outside is not really what's going on in the inside. You know, there's a lot of stuff going on. You know what I'm saying? I was trying to teach my kids the other day about an iceberg. On top, you give people what you want them to see, but down below there's so much more that's going on. Yes, there's sacrifice, there's hard work, there's a lot of different stuff that's going on. And so I'll probably, you know, I'll probably put that as the post or the picture, the thumbnail picture, you know, for this, and just kind of go from there. But thank you guys so much for tuning into this Real Raw Entrepreneurship. If there's anything else that you want to know about my life and what's going on, you know, right now, I mean, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, man. You know, I'm an open book, you know what I'm saying? You know, to those who really want to know and those who want to go deeper with entrepreneurship and so much more. There's so much ups and downs. But anyway, I'm going to get off this phone. I'm going to start rambling. Thank you guys again for tuning in. This is Artiz Strouds, the life coach and entrepreneur. Be looking for content, you know, just be me constantly being consistent, dropping stuff. Some of my posts may be late night posts, okay, with the transition and everything that's going on, because I gotta, you know, as my online business picks up, I gotta be out here, you know, producing and making money for the family. So there may be late night posts, there may be early posts, but if you rock with me, you rock with me, and you'll be blessed either way. Anything that I drop, you'll be blessed. And so I'm gonna do less talking head videos like this, just me talking, but more presentation style, kind of what you got in how to work from home, kind of that style. So you'll see more videos like that. That's gonna be more educational, more helpful, you know, going from there. So anyway, thank you so much again for tuning in. I hope this has been beneficial and helpful. If you have any comments or questions about anything I said, you know, please do so, man. I'll reach out, talk to you, because I want to refresh others. I want to help other people benefit, you know, in their journey. I want to help them along their journey, because that inspires me, that encourages me, and all that good stuff. All right. Take care, man. This is Artiz Strouds again, the life coach and entrepreneur. Appreciate you tuning in again. Take care. Bye.